This is the fastest way to make $1,000 online. You can just refer someone and earn $1 per referral for free, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. But you have to take action right now because this offer is available for limited time only. And yes, it's available worldwide, and it is completely free to make money with this method. And if you stay until the end of the video, I will show you how you can use this unique and free tool to set everything on autopilot so you can make money without doing any hard work yourself. But before that, like to this video and give it a big thumbs up. Step number 1, come over to Pixabay.com. Pixabay is a library of over 10,000 different copyright-free images and copyright-free videos in any niche and for any category you can think of. All of these videos and all of those photos come with Creative Commons license, which means you're allowed to use them on other websites free of charge and without any attribution to the author. And don't worry, you will not have to post this on any social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or whatsoever. And no, I'm not going to tell you to resell those photos because that doesn't necessarily work anymore. Rather than that, I just want you to come over to Pixabay.com and go over to videos right here. So we will be focusing only on videos today. And then you want to search for keywords like business, finance, making money online, working from home, and so on and so forth. So for example, search for business, just so I can show you what we are looking for. So we are looking for different business and finance related short videos because all of these are like 10 to 15 seconds long. Let's say we select this one video over here. I want you to click on it. That's gonna take you to this page where you can just click on the free download button right here. You select the resolution for your video, then click download, and it will be immediately downloaded to your computer with the Creative Commons license. As you can see, free for commercial use. No attribution required. Now, I want you to download 10 similar and catchy videos on business and make money online. Once you do that, step number 2, now you will need to use this website. This is the website from which you will be collecting your earnings. But this is not the last platform what you need to use. And this is not the last tool in order to set it up on incomplete autopilot. So stay tuned until the end and follow each and every step to make your first $1,000 the fastest way possible. Anyways, step number 2 is to go over to Volutic.com. Volutic is a place where you can earn money by reading emails. Now, even though that is a great side hustle and it's an easy way to earn some extra cash, it's not gonna make you a lot of money. Like people are making only a couple of dollars a day with this website. But today, I just want to show you how you can make a lot more money than that in pure passive income without having to read those emails and without having to do that hard work yourself. But yeah, even if you want to, you can definitely earn even extra cash just by reading those emails. You can earn money by reading emails wherever you are. With Volutic, you can earn money by reading emails wherever you are from your PC, tablet, or mobile phone. And the good thing about this website is that the minimum payout is only 20 cents, so you don't have to wait for weeks, months, or years to reach the minimum payout. You can reach this in less than 60 minutes and cash out directly to your PayPal account or whatever payment option you have. Now this is a pretty new website that less than 8,000 people are using, so it's right time to jump on the strategy and to take full advantage of it. And if we go over to payment proofs, you will be able to see that people from all over the world are cashing out instant money daily from this website. And you can see that we have people from Russia, Romania, Brazil, Ukraine, and so on and so forth. Now all you have to do is click on the register button right here. It will take you to this page where you have to enter a unique username, enter your email address, create a password, retype that same password. You can leave this box as blank. Then if you want to, you can accept their terms of use and privacy policy by clicking on these two boxes, and you can leave this box as blank unless you want to subscribe to their marketing list. After that, just click register and you have created a brand new account in Volutic.com. And once you log into your account, this is how it's going to look like. This is the dashboard where you can track your earnings, and obviously for now, it's gonna say $0 since it's a brand new account, but that's gonna change really soon if you follow all of the steps from this video. And once you start earning on this website, step number 3 is you can just click on the withdrawal button right here, set up your payment details, and they will pay you instantly once you have at least 20 cents on your account. Now the best thing about Volutic.com is that not only will they pay you instantly, but they have a really great referral program that pays you $1 for every referral when your referral earns $1 as well. Which means if you refer one person to Volutic.com and that person makes $1 with this website, which is a no-brainer, you will make $1 passively. You refer 100 people, that's $100 without lifting a finger. 1,000 people, that's $1,000, and so on and so forth. And I am gonna show you how you can reach millions of people with one single platform. So now, just log into your account and just grab your referral link, which is going to be on the main dashboard. You can see your unique referral link right here, so just click the copy button so you can copy that, and so you can start sharing that with other people to make some passive income online. Before we move further, subscribe to my friend's channel, Finance Girl. She is uploading latest and working make money online methods. I will leave a link to her channel in the description of this video. Okay, so step number 4, what you will need is getting traffic to your referral link. Now you want to find people that will be interested in signing up to Volutic.com so they can make some extra cash by reading those emails. And if I show you the similar web stats about the website that we will be using, you can see that this platform is being visited by over 180 million people every single month. Over 180 million people are using this website on a regular monthly basis, and you can advertise to them for absolutely free, and I will show you exactly how. And you can also see that those users are coming from top-tier countries like United States, Japan, Canada, United Kingdom, and Germany, so this has a massive potential. Now the name of this website is Imgur.com. Imgur is a platform where people are sharing different videos, GIFs, and photos that are being seen by millions of people on a regular basis. So all you have to do is go over to Imber.com and click the sign up button right here. Here, you can create a brand new account by entering a unique username, by entering your valid email address, create a password, enter your phone number and hit next. Or you can just connect with Facebook, Twitter, Apple account, Google, or Yahoo. And once you log into your account, this is what you will see. You can browse all of these different posts that are being published by everyday people like me and you. And to set up this passive income stream, click on a new post right here. And on this page, just select the video or the image which you previously downloaded from Pixabay.com. So that's why I said you need to download images and videos related to making money online, business, finance, and working from home. So just click on choose photo or video, find that video which you previously downloaded, double click on it, and wait until it loads. It's gonna ask you whether you want them to remove the audio or not. You can either select no or yes, it really doesn't matter, I'll just keep the audio file. Now, just give your post a title, so that can be something along the lines of, get paid to read emails, or to open up emails. And make sure to include the free keyword in the title, so people will see that it's absolutely free, and that they can make some money, they can benefit free of charge without investing any money at all, and that will just grab their attention a lot more. And then in the description, you can of course add your referral link so they can sign up. You can say something like, sign up here instantly, or get instant access here, and just paste your referral link over here. Then to attract targeted people, you will need to add different hashtags. So click on the tag button right here. You can type in, make money online free, work from home, money etc. So the more tags you add, the better results you will get, because you will attract more targeted people that will be interested in signing up to this website, because people that search for those keywords are obviously interested in making money online. And now, you are offering them something that is absolutely free, and that's really the fastest and easy way to earn $1,000 online for free. That's it for today, and if you want to make more money online, then click on the video showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.